Do you want to be a React and a React Native developer? Are you stuck and tired of watching endless tutorials without really getting anywhere closer to your dream job? If yes, join our live 4-hour React bootcamp where I'll take you from being an absolute beginner in React to having mastered the core concepts of React. This practical bootcamp is designed to give you conceptual clarity and practical knowledge of React. At the end of this bootcamp, you'll come out having mastered the basic concepts of React, having a live project which is an Instagram clone deployed on the cloud, and most importantly, having the confidence to be able to find work in React.js. I'm Samit, the founder of Codefinity and a software developer with more than 11 years of programming experience. If you want to learn React and you feel you're a beginner with no experience, you should join our 4-hour live React bootcamp. There are only 100 seats, so make sure you join now. Thank you, and I'll see you on the other side.